Hello, my name's Travis. I'm a senior solutions engineer here at Field Nation. In this video, I'll be highlighting some ways that companies providing field services can use the Field Nation platform to streamline their processes and eliminate the challenges that come with supporting your customers in the field. So, scaling your field services can create a multitude of problems. As you take on more projects, your team ends up spending more time on manual updates, data entry, and manually tracking technicians in the field. Field Nation is designed to put the controls in place and automate the manual touch points so your team can focus on managing the outcomes, not the administrative tasks. So, how do we solve those problems? So, our efficiency is going to start with how we dispatch. Instead of manually inputting instructions for every single job, you can use pre-built templates for your common service requests. These templates can contain all of your qualification and experience requirements for a technician. So I'm able to define the type of experience I need this tech to have. I'm able to define any qualifications that may be required on this job, things like certification, tools and equipment, even verified screenings like background checks and drug tests. I'm also able to standardize my instructions for the work that's taking place. Things like what I need done on the job site, how I need proof of completion to be received from the technician. We're able to create a contract between your organization and the provider that is going on site to do the work so nothing gets missed. So how do we put those controls in place? We at Field Nation typically recommend utilizing tasks. Tasks are ways for you to build standardized checklists for each of your different service types. These are going to interact with the Field Nation mobile app that all the technicians are going to be using out in the field. So you're getting real-time updates as these items are being completed. Maybe we need a technician to call our support desk, call our knock when they arrive on site. Maybe we need photos for proof of completion, signature capture, enter shipping details for faulty equipment that needs to be returned. You're in the driver's seat here when it comes to customizing your process and your requirements for the job. So once the work begins, you're going to get full visibility without having to ask for it. Your dashboard will show you when a technician is on their way to the job site, once they've arrived on site and checked in, as well as their current progress on that job. So because the platform provides all these live updates to all of your work, your dispatchers only need to step in if a status doesn't update as expected or a technician reports an issue. So you're going to be able to move from chasing status updates on your work to managing the exceptions. And we all know the job isn't finished until the documentation is in. With Field Nation proof of work, including photos, signatures, closeout notes, everything we define in those tasks is going to be captured on site and uploaded instantly. That means you don't have to wait days for paperwork to trickle in. You're able to review the quality of the work and approve the job for payment right from your work order. So Field Nation isn't just a place to find talent. It's a system for managing your entire workflow. By reducing administrative overhead, our customers are able to handle a higher volume of work with their existing team. So to learn more about how these tools can fit into your current processes, please contact your Field Nation representative. Thank you.